Hey folks, out here working at NASA today, and today, good buddy of mine, Chris Harbin, drove his 66 Chevrolet truck in, and we're gonna take a look at it right now. It's Chris. Hey Chris.
How you doing?
All right, man. Just checking out your truck. Thank you so much for bringing this thing in. Let me look at it. But I want y'all to look at how clean this thing is. Nice stance. It is so nice. And I like the color. What do they call it? Butterscorch?
Actually just listed as gold.
Gold. I'm gonna call it butterscorch. I like that color.
It does look like butter.
But I want to do a walk around on this thing. I want y'all to check this thing out. Got the Corvette taillights in it. It's a nice little feature. It's got a Reese hitch. Looks real good, man. I really like that. Pretty slick, ain't it? How long you had this thing?
About a year.
About a year. Where'd you find this at?
Found it in Center, Alabama.
I don't even know where Center, Alabama. I guess that would be in the center of Alabama, wouldn't it? If you come halfway up.
Actually, it's near the Georgia state line north.
Mind if I look the inside here?
Sure.
Oh yeah. Check it out. Now what are them seats out of?
They're out of a Dodge pickup.
Dodge Dakota, I bet.
I think so.
Yeah, I think I remember seeing a set of them in a Dodge before. Like all this. This is really neat. Got new carpet, everything. Can we look at the engine on it?
Sure.
That wind may be causing a little bit of trouble.
The rims come up of an Isuzu.
An Isuzu?
Yeah.
Those rims? An Isuzu. Wow. Who would have thought they would have fit? Looks like it's got all new chrome on the front and everything. Boy, that is nice right there. Looks real good. Check out the chrome on 350, right?
It is.
Yeah. Oh, power steering.
And a 350 turbo transmission.
Yeah. Power steering. You did any? Did you have to do anything to it? You done any of this?
I hadn't done any of it.
Yeah.
It was done when I bought it.
Oh well, that's good. Hey, there's nothing. There's no foul in buying a truck that's already ready to roll. That means you just get to enjoy it. You know, you don't have to do any of the work, but you get out and enjoy it just as much. So, to be able to drive something like this into work, and I bet you got a smile on your face all the way to work, don't you?
Oh, I do. I do.
People want to wave you down and stuff. I really like it. I want to show the tailgate. Check this thing out. You know how these things normally have a chain hanging down? You know, in this area right here, there's normally chains hanging on this thing. On this one, it's just got this latch right here. You push that latch down and this thing opens right up. And it's got cables holding the tailgate. Very cool. I like the bed. You can tell it's an older restoration. It's been a while, but it's had a new bed floor put in it. It's very cool. Thing shuts easy too. Look at that. I like that. You don't see that all the time.
No, I like that feature.
Somebody did this one right.
They did.
So you and your wife riding this thing?
Oh, absolutely. She
Yeah.
loved it.
I bet she talked you into buying it, didn't she?
She did.
Today. All right, we're fixing to take a ride in the 66 Chevrolet. This thing is awesome, man. Check out the inside of this thing. Very cool. Got the chrome. Got the stereo system. Looks like a Pioneer or something. Got the chrome steering column with tilt wheel. Nice. Let's roll. We'll take a ride in this thing. Yeah, this is awesome. Oh, let's see. Little phone holder. You can use that on your long trips. So
That's right.
Use your GPS. That's,
Put some little modern touches.
yeah. No air conditioning, but you're gonna add air.
I am going to add some air.
Yeah. Vintage air or something like that.
Yes.
That's cool. I like it. It's got new carpet. This thing's clean. That looks good, man.
Yeah, it's got a lot of aftermarket parts to it.
Yeah. Little speaker boxes down there in the corner right there. It's not every day you get to ride in something like this. Go do your job. It's pretty cool. That's the thing I keep telling everybody about. It's amazing how many people out here just have cool rides, you know. Something cool to ride in. Do stuff like that. Coming up on the FBI building, this is where the Federal Bureau of Investigation has got their new home. This is awesome. Everybody act cool. Go by here. They're checking us out. I'm sure they got a drone watching us or something.
Probably.
Yeah. That's all right though. We're going to speed limit. I like this thing, man. This is a nice ride.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm tickled to get it.
Yeah. Sounds good.
I've enjoyed it, and it's the only old old vehicle. My wife's ever liked. So.
Yeah. Have y'all ever got in it and drove up to Gatlinburg or anything?
No, not yet.
Yeah, going to?
We've thought about it.
Yeah, you need to go up there when they're having one of them rod runs or something other and stay stuck in traffic with everybody else for about 4 hours.
Yeah.
That'll cure.
Yeah, just came back this past weekend, so it was
Yeah,
bad.
we went up there during rod run one time, and we wanted to get some Krispy Kreme donuts after supper. So me and my brother-in-law was going to run back down the mountain, and we're going to grab some donuts so we could have them while we was playing cards. 4 hours later, we gave up. We turned around. We were stuck in traffic, and we gave up. Never did get a Krispy Kreme donut. Turned around, went back, and the ladies were sitting there waiting on us. No donuts.
You can't get anywhere in Korea up there.
Yeah. Gotta go by and make sure you're worthy right here. I'm not worthy. Oh, wait a minute, you are worthy. Had anybody try to buy this thing from you?
Not yet. No.
You know, I've always said everything I got's for sale except for my wife and kids. And that's kind of the way I've lived too, and I've regretted selling a lot of things.
Well, I waited so long, so.
I see you got your Alabama floor mats right there.
I do.
You still using them after last weekend?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Well, they'll recover. They'll be all right. Yeah, this looks good. When you get the air conditioning in, that's really gonna be something you can go on vacation in.
Yeah, it's something I can do early next year.
Looks good. Well, I appreciate you letting me take time to look at it, Chris. That's going to do it for this episode today. Thank you for stopping by. If you would, click on the link below and check out some of the other cool rides. Thanks for stopping by.